Best float adjustment method for wild fishing. Catch both active, slow fish. If you are into wild fishing, here is a float adjustment technique that is super practical all year round. Adding a small weight on the subline. It is beginner friendly, works in moving water, avoids small fish interference, and doesn't care about float cap or bait. Most importantly, it lets you switch freely between catching active fish and slower bites. Let us go step by step. Step 1. Set up your line. Connect your main line and attach your float. Add a double hook subline. Push the float up until the tip doesn't touch the weight on the main line. Cast your line into the water and gently lift the rod to check if the float sinks properly. The goal is to ensure the float's take weight is correct. Step 2. Trim the main line weight. Adjust the main line weight so that the float shows the right number of marks above water, usually until the float reaches its lead body. If the float sinks too fast, remove a bit more weight. If it sinks slowly, trim less. Repeat this process until the float sits correctly in the water. Step 3. Add a weight on the subline. Take a small subline weight and place it between the upper and lower hooks. Align it with the upper hook. For calm water or light current, choose a tiny weight. 0.1 到 0.2 grams is enough. For stronger currents, you can use a slightly larger weight. Clip-on weights are convenient. Just pinch them on the subline and adjust with your teeth if needed. Step 4. Attach bait and adjust. Whether you use dough, paste, worms, or redworms, attach your bait as usual. Push the float up, cast, and adjust until it shows the desired number of marks above water. Press the line gently against wind or current for stability. Step 2. Switching between active and slow bites. This method allows freedom between active, lingering, and slow, bottom fishing. Slow bites. 10. Mode. The weight aligns with the upper hook. Both hooks sit on the bottom. Active bites. Lean mode. Slide the subline weight down so the lower hook touches the bottom, and the upper hook floats slightly. You can freely switch between these modes depending on fish behavior, water temperature, or activity level. This subline plus weight method is simple but highly versatile. It works in all seasons, in moving or still water, and lets you adapt instantly to fish activity. I am a fishing enthusiast sharing practical wild fishing tips. Like, save, and subscribe to learn more tricks that make catching fish easier, no matter the conditions.